Hey guys, I am back. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a 3-in-1 hairstyle with the BetterLength clip-ins. Okay, if you just recently big chopped your hair, this is for you. Okay, so what I just pretty much did is I sectioned it off on the bottom and I'm detangling it out, and I'm gonna do a braid because the last time I used the BetterLength clip-ins and I did the clip-ins and I just put it in really quick, I noticed that my short hair in the bottom, you could see it, and I was just like bugging out about it. I was like, I'm not over it. So this time I am doing a braid on the bottom, so you won't be able to see like that blunt, like my hair and the clip-ins. Okay, so once I finish doing that, I'm gonna take some of the hair out from the sides, and then I'm gonna be using my clip-ins that have like the 5 clips, because that's the darkest one, and I kind of forgot to bleach them, so I kind of have to use them as the bottom now, but I don't know where it was when I was bleaching on my clip-ins, but whatever. So yeah, I'm doing that one on the bottom instead of using like a 3 clips on the bottom, so I'm kind of going backwards. Okay, so once I did that, we're gonna do the same thing again, and I'm gonna take the pieces from the front and put gel in it and comb it through so it can be really defined. My hair is the exact same color as the clip-ins, but when it's wet, it just looks darker. But when it dries, it's literally like you can't even tell like what is the clip-ins and what is my hair, what is a big chop, what is you get what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm repeating the process. I'm gonna be doing this throughout the entire thing, which is repeating process: section, comb, gel, section, comb, gel, clip-in, section, comb, gel, clip-in. So just bear with me. Okay, so while I'm doing that and you guys are watching me put in the clip-ins and how I section them and whatnot, I do want to say, like, I haven't been consistent on YouTube because I am a full-time student, okay? And I graduate in December, and your girl is trying, like, I've been taking 4 or 5 classes per semester, and your girl is not trying to mess up and have to prolong my graduation. So I'm really trying to make sure, like, I get this bachelor's degree and it's set. But then after that, I really actually do want to like do YouTube as a full-time job, so I will be hella more consistent, because right now it's just hard because I have to also balance the other things that I got in my life, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna lie, I have been missing YouTube so much. I want to put out so many different content. I really want you guys to give me some ideas, because I want to also start doing more videos that's not just hair. So let me know what you guys want to see, because I also, like, I have a bunch of ideas I want to bring out, but I don't know. I still gotta play with it. But yeah, let me know, because I'm about to be lit. I'm about to show YouTube what they've been missing. And it's aka Roxxie in this bit. So yeah. So for this hair, I decided to do this because, to be honest, I don't know about anybody else, but when I big chopped, it was actually like not the most beautiful process for me, and it was really hard. So especially if you big chopped right when you're going into school and you're like, oh my god, because you need some time to figure out how you're gonna style your hair, how you're gonna do your curly hair, how you're gonna, like, you know, how, like, you're changing your whole look. So this is a good way for school to definitely, like, do something to your hair, and it makes it easier. Even if it's gonna be like ponytails or whatever, it makes it so much easier. Believe me, I big chopped twice, and the second time I big chopped was really hard for me because I got so used to long hair, and then not even being able to do a ponytail. It literally, like, it was bad. I promise you, it was bad. I was not feeling the big chop vibe, okay? Don't be fooled. Everybody who says, oh, everybody loves a big chop, that's not true, okay? The first time I liked it, but the second time, it was a little harder for me. I don't know if it's because I'm older now and the short hair look, I was not into it no more. I don't know, but to each his own, but all I have to say is it all takes time for you to fall in love with your hair all over again and find styles that suit your look, your vibe, your personality, because not every hairstyle matches how you look, and just re-innovate yourself. So it's gonna take time, and that's one thing that I realized. And right now I'm in the phase where I'm starting to love my hair, but I just hate my length because it's at an awkward hair length because of the hairstyle that I have. But I'm not cutting my hair, not going through that. So yeah, so that's where I'm pretty much going through. So it's like I learned to love my hair again, but I'm just like desperately waiting for my hair to grow out this ugly hairstyle that it has. That's why I haven't been posting anything with my natural hair, because I've been low-key like just trying to do deep treatments, growth oils, inversion methods, and not looking at my hair. So but yeah, so hopefully I'm going to be doing an updated curly hair routine video, because my hair is a lot longer than what it used to be, and it just looks really nice. So another thing I wanted to say with the clip-ins, I personally didn't cut my clip-ins, because I know some people, they probably like cut their clip-ins or whatever, because I use it, like when I use my clip-ins, you can use them for a lot of stuff. You can use them for like having big curly hair, you can use it for pigtails, you can use it for like 2 little buns. I use my clip-ins a lot for ponytails. It comes in clutch when it comes to ponytails, because my hair is a little struggle bun when I do a little ponytail, so it helps give it a oomph and it looks mad natural. So that's something I definitely recommend. If you could put your hair in a ponytail but you're like, it doesn't look that cute, do a bun or a ponytail. It looks really pretty and it looks super realistic. Hello. Just because we chopped our hair, just because we're not feeling ourselves, doesn't mean the whole world gotta see it. We still gotta like be fly and flex. Well, no, don't flex. You gotta be naturally like you, but you gotta be fly and feel yourself. Don't let people see that you're struggling. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is how my hair came out after I did put all the clip-ins in, then I slicked the front. It looks so cute. See, this is what I'm talking about. It looks so natural. Like, it looks stupid cute, okay? But if you're not enough with just that, watch this. Right now, I am pretty much with all the clip-ins in my hair. I'm going to be slicking my hair back, and I am going to be putting my hair into a ponytail. So in order for me to do that, I'm just going to be taking some of my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just taking a brush and I'm just smoothing everything down and just combing everything back. The clip-ins are really flat to your head, so when you comb your hair back, you're not going to see the clip-ins at all. And in a second, you guys are going to see it when I start slicking everything back. You don't see anything. Like, you don't see a thing. Look at that. Look at that. So it looks realistic. It looks like it's yours. It looks believable. And the good thing about it is that you can put the clip-ins like that, and if somebody tugs on your ponytail, it's not going to come out because the clip-ins are on your roots. So for me, since my hair is short, it's a little hard for the hairs in the front of my hair to tie with the back, so I just put bobby clips. And for the ponytail section that we're doing, I'm letting go of the braid that I did in the back so I can easily blend it in, and it just looks real natural. Like, no one could tell me this is not my hair. Like, this, like, when I went downstairs, my mom looked at me like, what, wait, what? Because it looked like my hair. It looked like legit my hair. And then we're going to go ahead and tie that bad boy up. And then after we're done tying our bad boy up, we're going to do what I love to do, and that is slick your edges. So I'm going to be using my Got2b glue to do my edges, because since I have Eco Styler in my hair, it's already like naturally creating waves. And for my, at least for the front of my hair, I want it to be kind of like really sleek and straight. So I'm using the Eco Styler so it can hold it in place. And then I'm using the Got2b blue got to be glue to make sure everything is straight and it doesn't like end up curling, having waves, and then my baby hairs stay in place, because I noticed my baby hairs are a lot curlier than I thought they were. And I noticed a lot of like edge controls and gels do not keep them from curling, and even with got to be glue, they still curl, as you guys can see. So for me, that works the best if you have like curly edges. And I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side. And I'm also using the got to be glue to do this. And never forget the sideburns, very important, people. So this is the look number 2 out of the whole thing, and we're gonna pick this up a notch. We're gonna turn this into a little bun. Real easy, cute little bun, cute little messy curly bun, and that is it. There you go, people. This is how you guys can get 3 hairstyles out of 1 hairstyle, and it looks super cute and really realistic. I really hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.